Hello and welcome to my channel. I plan to record my journey towards financial independence and retire early in this channel. Currently, I mainly focus on sharing my Canadian dividend stock investment journey and those stocks in my portfolio. This is the way that money works for you and generate more money. In the future, I will also add contents introducing products that saves you money. So if you are interested in these topics, hit the like button to let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get the latest update. And now, let's get started. Today, we are going to talk about Wealthsimple Trade, the website and the mobile app, the good sides and the downsides. A full go through for you, and you can determine if this is the platform for you to invest in stocks. Let's first look at the desktop website. The biggest advantage of Wealthsimple Trade is that it is commission free, which means you don't need to pay any extra money when buying or selling stocks, compared to other investing platforms such as Questrade, CIBC Investor's Edge, or other investment platforms, you name it. They all charge for commission fees. Questrade doesn't charge commission fees if you buy ETFs, but you still need to pay commission fees when selling them. This means if you are investing on a regular basis, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, using Wealthsimple Trade can save you a lot of money by just not paying the commission fees. Wealthsimple Trade allows you to buy and sell thousands of stocks and ETFs on major Canadian and US exchanges, and does not have any account minimums, meaning that you can get started with as low as $1. They also offers nice-looking mobile apps that allows you to trade on your phone. You can add stocks to watchlist and see basic stock information in your account. You can deposit as much as $250 instantly and start trading right away. For amounts higher than $250, it will take 3 business days to process before you can trade. And all these functions are free to use. They also have some features that are not yet available and plan to come soon, including notifications when stock price move, news and updates about stocks you follow, and 2FA security. The account types they offer are personal account, TFSA, and RSP account. And most importantly, Wealthsimple Trade is safe. Wealthsimple Trade is CIPF protected, meaning that your money is protected up to $1 million if Wealthsimple Trade goes bankrupt, which is very likely to happen. But it's always good to be safe, right? Now, let's go into the website of Wealthsimple Trade account. Once you log in, you are going to choose which service you are going to use. So here we click on Trade and Crypto. Once you log in, you can see this nice and clean interface. So on the top here, you can see the total value of all your accounts. And currently I only have one account, that is my TFSA account. So here it shows how many positions are there in your TFSA account, the total balance of your account, as well as the performance. On the right, you can also see the watch list of all the stocks you added. On the bottom here, it also sometimes offers you articles that teaching you something about finance. So here, for example, it shows the basic of buying and selling. So if you are interested, you can click and read through it. Now I'm inside my TFSA account. So the functions that offers by this website is that first, you can see the daily change of your account value. And you can also see it by your weekly change, monthly change, 3 months change, 1 year change, and all. So it's pretty nice and easy and straightforward to see your result. And as you go down, you can see all the stocks that is in your portfolio, today's price of this stock, the total value of this stock, how many shares do you have of it, and your all-time returns. On the right, you can see the available funds that you can trade, as well as your watch list. So if you go inside like one stock, you can also see the change of this stock for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and up to 5 years. You can see the details of the stocks that is in your account, and here is some basic information. Also, they will show you some brief introduction of the company that you are buying. And on the right, you can buy or sell your stock. So currently the market is closed, so I cannot actually buy a stock to show you. However, I can show you the process of buying a stock. So first, we can choose the way that we want to buy the stock. We can choose market buy, limit buy, or stop limit buy. So I usually use limit buy. So the first, you want to type in the price that you want to buy the stock. So for example, if I want to buy the stock at 120, and you can choose how many shares you want to buy. So if I click 1 shares, and then if you click buy, this will tell you how limit buy works. So basically, limit buy is that you set a price at lower than the current price. And if the price goes down that limit, then Wealthsimple Trade will buy the stock for you. And if you hit continue, and it will show this confirmation, and you just click place order, and this order will be sent. That's how you buy the stocks. So on the top of this website, you can see there is 3 buttons you can click. The first one is portfolio. If you click on it, it will actually help you go back to the main page. The next one is activity. So if you click it, you will find it will show all the activities in your account. So you can use filters. For example, if I only want to look at my TFS account, which basically is the same as all as of now. So if we click on dividends, we can show all the dividends. If you click on sales, you can see all the stocks that you have sold. And if you click buys, it will show you the history of all the stock you buy. So the third function is to move funds. So basically, you can choose from add funds, withdraw funds, or add a bank account. So if we click add funds, then you can see that this page pops up, and you can choose from which bank you want to deposit to which account and how much you want to deposit. And you can instantly deposit up to $250, and you can trade right away. So this instant deposit will be reset every 3 days. So if you use it today, then after 3 business days, you can do this instant deposit again. And for any amounts higher than 250, you need to wait 3 business days for your money to process, and then you can use it for trading. Withdraw fund will be a similar process. And if you want to add a bank account, so you can simply click on this add a bank account, and then you can choose which is your bank account. For example, if you choose TD, then it will lead you to this page. So you just go through all the page to add your bank account, and then you can link your bank account with Wealthsimple Trade. That's pretty much about the Wealthsimple Trade desktop website. And some of you may want to find the documents related to your Wealthsimple Trade. However, currently you cannot find those documents in your website account, but you can find them in your Wealthsimple app. So now let's go to the mobile app. In the mobile app, we can still find our changes daily, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 1 year, and all-time return. We can change our portfolio through total value to today's price of each stock. And we also have our watch list here, available funds. And if you click the icon on the top left, you can go to the accounts, click TFSA, that is your account, and then you can find your account summary as well as account documents. Shows all the documents related to your account. You can find your monthly statement, and you can also find your tax document. Because I'm using TFSA account, that's why I don't have any tax documents in the tax document section. And you also have the choice of close your account if you want to. So in the app, you can also upgrade your account to have some extra features. And you need to pay $3 per month for these extra premium features. Lastly, I will talk about this extra feature and the downsides of Wealthsimple Trade together. So for the extra features, it allows you to see real-time price of stock, which is nice, but you can still use other ways to achieve that, such as using Yahoo Finance. In the future, it will allow you to do $1,000 instant deposit. It's cool, but still, if you are not a day trader, if you are just a regular investor as me do investment on a regular basis, it might not be very important. But it is just $3 per month, and it costs not that much. so it's totally depend on you whether to purchase it or not. And for the downsides of Wealthsimple Trade, first, as I mentioned, is the 15 minutes delay of the stock price. If you don't upgrade and don't pay that $3, in the app or the website, the price you see will be 15 minutes delayed. However, as I said, you can avoid this by using Yahoo Finance or other website. Secondly, it is the 1.5% conversion fee when you buy US stocks. Wealthsimple Trade does not have a US account. That means every time you buy and sell a US stock, you are charged for the conversion fee. And that is the major way Wealthsimple Trade earn money. So Wealthsimple Trade will be great for Canadian stocks, but may not be that good for US stocks. Lastly, the downside is that sometimes the gains in your account will not show properly if you just deposit money into it. It will count that deposit money as your gains. And this bug happens every time when I deposit money into my account, and it will correct itself after 2 or 3 days. So overall, I would recommend this platform, especially if you are focusing on Canadian stocks. Most of its downsides can be either avoided or not a big problem to me. It is a commission-free platform, and that's the best thing for our investors. If you want to open an account, you can use my referral link or code in the description so that when you deposit and trade over $100 in Wealthsimple Trade, you will get $10 as bonus. That's all for today's video. What do you think of it? Will you use it, or have you already been using it? Leave a comment to let me know. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button to let me know. If you are looking for a zero commission fee platform to invest stocks, I recommend you Wealthsimple Trade. If you are looking for high interest saving account, Wealthsimple Cash offers 0.77% interest and EQ Bank offers you 1.25% interest, which are all higher than the big banks. Check out my referral links in the description to get a referral bonus when opening these accounts. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.